Hello students, welcome back. Let us begin our topic tense. Yesterday we studied simple present. Today we want to go for simple past. So today here I am going to introduce you the structure of simple past. Then its persons and how do they match with helping main verbs. Another some other forms of simple past tense and then its usage. Usage is very important. Many times I have been telling to all one thing only. Structure will help you to write, but usage will help you to speak. Therefore, both are necessary. So let me introduce you simple past. Right? Simple past tense. Simple past tense. This is the tense which we want to study today. Right? So what is the structure? What is the structure of this tense? S plus V2 plus O oblique C means object and complement. S means subject. Here you will find second form of the verb, then object and then complement. So we have persons like example persons like first persons like I and we. Then second person is you, singular also and plural also. Then we have third persons like he, she, it, and plural they. And all these persons take second form of the verb, that is drank, drank water. So this is what we do. And due to this V2, we call it's a simple past. इसमें ये जो फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकंड पर्सन थर्ड पर्सन से we call it subject and rank is V2 and what did they drink? Water. That is object. By asking a question to verb by whatever answer we give it's called as object. But it is the beginning of the simple past. Okay. Still, we have different simple past. What is it? In negative formula of simple past. That is S plus, didn't plus, V1 plus, OC. This is the negative form of simple past. So didn't plus V1 is next. रेगुलरली बच्चे क्या करते हैं डिडंट लिखते हैं मगर उसके बाद में वो V2 ही लिख देते हैं गलती से वो ऐसा करते हैं so it should be avoided after didn't there should be first form verb that is when we want to say negative we have to use didn't in simple past right then we have formula of helping verb that is S plus was where plus now. Yesterday we studied in simple present also formula of helping verb that was S plus I mean plus now. So here S plus was there plus now. For example, you want example then I was at station. So here station is here now. This is subject and this is helping verb. It is also called as simple past now. But the hard one simple past is which let me introduce. That is formula of PV means passive voice. Formula of passive voice. That is hard one. That is O plus was where plus V3 that is the formula of passive voice O oblique C. Suppose, let me give you example. Example, answers were given in the class. Answers were given in the class. Here, answers is object, were is here helping verb, and given is third form of the verb, and in the class is complement. It is also example of simple past. But generally, many teachers introduce simple past as only S plus V2 plus OC, and they do not introduce you formula of negative or formula of helping verb or formula of passive voice. And that is why in examination the question will be on the negative or helping verb or passive voice. And a teacher didn't teach you, therefore you do not understand and you commit mistake in the while writing paper. So we need to understand. If we want to understand simple past, then we need to focus on these formulas. That is the first one, structure of positive, then second one is negative, third one is of helping verb, and fourth one is of passive voice, right? And use. What is use? Use of the past tense word. It helps us to describe actions or events which occurred in the past. For example, so I went to Delhi. So the incident or event which occurred in the past, to describe them we use simple past tense. Thank you, students.